Hi everyone!
Hi guys.
So, nasa trike kami ngayon kasi papasyal ko siya sa University of the Philippines. Yes, mag-food trip kami. Pero di ko masyadong sure if open yung area to because it's a holiday. Kaya sa youth food ko na lang siya dadalhin. And like, mag-iikot kami of course. Pero medyo maambot, but it's okay.
I'm so excited.
Sa UPIS kami magpapababa, tapos UP ikot kami, so he gets the full experience. Feeling. Hindi naman ako taga-UP, hindi ko alam ba't nag-feeling ako. Hi everyone!
Hi, guys.
Oh my gosh, umaambon talaga. I think need na natin magpayong soon.
Yeah.
We're in UP. Nakakahiya
Yes.
mag-vlog. Pero wala akong pake. Sige.
Our body, our choice.
Actually, di ko alam paano kami makakarating ng good food. Dito kami makapanggap. Yan. Just documenting every moment. I think nakapunta na si Ace dito before, pero
Yeah.
a
I think
long
it's
time
like
ago.
3 years ago na
Yeah.
talaga yun.
Tapos now senior high na siya. So,
Grade 10 pa lang
naiyak.
ako.
Guys, may UP ikot, pero wait, mag-practice muna kami kung ano sasabihin namin. What can you say about the vibe?
The vibe is very urban legend.
Natatakot ako, parang madudulas ako. Bakit ang daming tao? Anyways, bilis ma-distract. Our plan is tingin muna kami sa tingin. I mean like ikot muna kami sa sunken garden para lang makita niya kasi UP sunken garden and everything.
Yeah. It's not the
Nahingal ako.
place that you would get likely to.
Tuloy mo ba? Okay guys, tatawid kami now. Crossing the roads in UP.
Animal Cross.
Naming entry. So this is the sunken garden.
Kaya pala
You know what,
kasi
guys?
parang sunken siya.
I think they're playing football. So usually like may mga football
babango.
lessons, ganun. And of course, the street food. Doon tayo sa Makay, sa Sakayan. Tatanong muna namin kasi baka hindi pala sila umiikot sa good food.
Sa museo ng Antipolo, Samoa.
Ayun na pala, pero wait lang, napapressure ako sa susunod na lang. Guys, nasa jeep na kami. I don't know what I'm saying.
Dito mo pa para. Hello.
Yay! Hey guys, we're here in Good Food. Is it your first time here? In
Yes.
Good Food specifically? Okay.
Yes.
Pero lalagpas muna kami ng Good Food. Magmamang Larry's muna kami. Pero I think, order na lang tayo sa Mang Larry's. Tapos
Yeah.
dali natin, dito natin kainin.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
I freaking love Mang Larry's. I mean, typical street food na like isaw, ganun.
Yeah.
Pero,
But the name is so iconic.
yeah, that's the
kasi.
thing.
Yeah.
Like, I guess or like, nakakainis. Yung nostalgia din that comes with it. Kasi, nung nag-aaral
family
dito
history.
nung dito nag-aaral pa sa Katipunan si Ninang Love sa si Ninang Tete.
Yeah.
Kasi si Ninang Love, UP talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Lagi kaming nagmamang Larry's nun.
Yeah.
By the way guys, last time pumunta kami na Tapadya ng kapatid ko. Anyways, let's go in. Ano gusto mo ba?
I think the ISO will hit the spot talaga.
Okay. Hi guys, so medyo failed. Di ko pala nabuksan yung mic kanina. Basta guys. So di ko alam if nakuha yung review namin kanina. If not, whatever. I-reiterate na lang namin yung review namin. Wait lang, nawawala yung natin. Sana rinig nyo pa kami, guys. But, so, haul lang again. Gulaman, fizz top na lemon something, master siomai, and nacho salad. Ay! Messy niya kainin. But it's a skill issue. It's my problem. After nito, punta kami ulit ng Mang Larry's. Kuwait.
Ano yung sa kanya nagkita?